In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize conversations with AI in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get right into it. So you're in Slack, and you've missed a conversation that you really want to catch up on. Maybe you've been busy with meetings, or just took a quick day off and need to find out what's been happening. Don't worry, Slack has a built-in feature that lets you summarize conversations with AI, and it's super easy to use. First, you'll want to select your conversation. Go ahead and open the specific team channel or the direct message thread that you want to catch up on. This could be a channel where your team discusses ongoing projects, or it could be a chat with a colleague that you haven't had a chance to reply to recently. Just find that channel or thread, and we'll continue. Now that you're in the right conversation, we move to the next step. Look to the top right corner of the channel header or direct message window. There, you'll see an icon with 3 dots. This is the More Actions menu. Click on that icon. It's a small yet powerful tool, and it opens up a list of options that you can choose from. Once you have the More Actions menu open, you'll need to find and select Summarize Conversation from the drop-down options. This is the feature that we're really excited about. By clicking on it, you'll trigger the AI to start analyzing the chat history and provide you with a clear and concise summary of the conversations that have taken place. Now comes the fun part. You can set your date range for the summary. The AI needs to know which time frame you want it to analyze. If you're just catching up quickly, you might want to select options like today or yesterday. This is perfect if you only missed a brief period and want a quick rundown of the immediate action items discussed. You'll find that it generates a crisp list, which is super helpful when you're short on time. If you've been away for a bit longer, like returning from vacation or needing to review a full project sprint, you'll want to choose this week or even a custom range. This way, you can dive deeper into the context and details of the conversations you might have missed. The summaries you get will be tailored to reflect exactly what happened in the time period you choose, making it easy to get back on track. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to summarize conversations with AI in Slack. It's a handy feature that saves you time and helps you stay informed. Remember, keeping up with your teams and ongoing discussions is crucial, and this tool makes it a lot easier. If you have any questions or need further clarifications, feel free to drop a comment below. Once again, if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore more